I'd like to walk you through the process of our design analysis reports to illustrate the meticulous methodology that we use to create the final end product analysis. For this demonstration, we are going to use a typical RF transceiver, power amplifier, and duplexer filter subsystem that all base station OEMs have as a part of their overall product portfolio. The first step is to take the unit and to write down all of the mechanical dimensions for the system. The second step is to then disassemble the unit into its major components. What you see is the complete unit with the RF shielding intact. Once we have removed the RF shielding, you then see the back of the RF transceiver printed circuit board that is completely plated in gold. Once we have turned over this board, you are able to see then all of the components that are on the RF transceiver printed circuit board. Once the printed circuit board has been removed from the system, you're then able to see the interior RF shield of the unit. The next step is to remove the RF power amplifier, and then finally to analyze the RF duplexer filter. In step 3, each major subsystem is then further analyzed in great detail by taking the mechanical dimensions, photographing the unit, and then creating a detailed component map and bill of materials as part of the initial analysis for that subsystem. Each subsystem has a unique mechanical, design, or electrical feature that we note to put into our final analysis. Here is an example of the bill of materials and component mapping. We note the function of the component or semiconductor chip where available, the part number marking on the package, the supplier of the component, the JEDEC package type and size, and finally the number of components used within the system, including 0402 chip resistors, capacitors, and inductors. The final step is once each subsystem has been fully analyzed and documented, we piece together the entire analysis into a concisely written report that is now available for purchase. Contact us to find out more about our design analysis reports.